Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. So in today's session we'll start with the last question of the revision of second monthly, that is question number 10, figures of speech. Okay, so it was identify and explain figures of speech. I have no peace, no joy and no rest. So here number 1 is I have no peace, no joy, no rest. So here it is going on in the anticlimax. It is just a sudden descent. Okay, because if you are at rest you will enjoy, and if you're enjoying you will have the mental peace. Okay, so but it is descending, so it's anticlimax. So here there's a sudden descent from peace to joy and from joy to rest. So here it is used for the purpose of ridicule, or you can say in the satirical manner. Number 2, the river is rapid and swift. Now, children, here the river only is used, the noun river is used with the two adjectives, that is rapid and swift. Both the adjectives are used for the single noun, that is river. Moreover, the conjunction and is used. The next thing is the meaning of rapid and swift is almost same. Okay, that is used to show the pace or the speed. So the figure of speech, given figure of speech will be tautology, as here the words rapid and swift have got the same meaning, that is fast in the sense of speed, that is used in the statement. Number 3, let me be rich and let me be weary. So here two different ideas are used, that you let me be rich, okay, rich enough, and let me be weary, that again it's not so rich, it's poor one. So the figure of speech given is antithesis, because there is a sudden contrast of the ideas. Okay, as I have explained, the anti means opposite and thesis means the ideas, opposite ideas, two striking opposite ideas will be used. Okay, so here the given figure of speech is antithesis, as two striking opposite ideas, that is being rich and being very, are used in the same sentence at the same time. Number 4, what a piece of work man is. So here it's the simple statement could be that the man is a great piece of work. Okay, but instead of saying like that, the different form of explanation is given here, that what a piece of work man is. So here the given figure of speech will be exclamation, as here the uh, poet has used this particular statement just to draw the greater attention. As a mere statement, a different simple statement could do it. Okay, I could simply say that the man is a great piece of work, but this could be an assertive statement, but instead of using like that, we'll give a sudden different effect to it, that is what a piece of work man is. So here the given figure of speech is exclamation, as it is used to draw the attention of the reader, then a mere bald statement of it could do. Number 5, she is a sweet devil. Now, here the words sweet and devil are two different words, but they are used for the same person, that is she. So, the given figure of speech is oxymoron, as here the two opposite words sweet and devil are used at the same time in the same sentence for the same person. Number 6, am I my brother's keeper? So here, as you could see, the interrogation mark is used, but usually this figure of speech is used to just draw the attention or to put the point more effectively, rather than to actually need the answer. So here the question is asked not for the sake of getting an answer, but just to put the point in such a manner that it shows just attracts the reader's attention. So I hope you understood all the 6 figures of speech. I'll be even giving you the PDF form of the same, so you can complete your revision book. Thank you.